If you want thick, healthy, long hair, you need to do this treatment right now. Or you just took out your protective style of 1 month or 2 months. You need to do this treatment right away before you get any other protective style. This is the remedy everyone is talking about. Have you been trying everything else to grow out your hair, but it seems like nothing is working? You have spent money on expensive serums, expensive oils and treatments, but nothing seems to be working. You have been experiencing hair breakage, hair shedding, and your hair have refused to grow past certain length. What if I tell you that these 2 ingredients we are using in this video will help you create the most healthiest environment for your hair to grow? We are using onions and aloe vera DIY treatment. This treatment is incredibly popular among the natural hair care community. Before we get started, if you love natural hair care, healthy hair tips, and DIY treatments, ensure that you subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I post. Now let's get started. Many people simply think their hair doesn't grow, but in the right sense, your hair actually does grow. The problem you're having is breakage. Your hair breaks off as fast as it grows. Common reasons you are not retaining length is either you're dealing with dry hair, excessive breakage, weak hair strands, poor circulation on your scalp, product buildup, or heat damage. The basics of hair growth is a healthy scalp. If your scalp is not healthy, no matter what you apply to it, it will not work. That is why you need to focus on nourishing your scalp before worrying about the hair length. That is where onion juice come in. Onion juice contains sulfur, a mineral that is naturally found in the protein your hair is made up of. Sulfur plays a major role in the structure of keratin, which is the main protein in the hair. Onion juice also contains antioxidants and other plant compounds. I use onion juice in my hair because it has helped me increase or improve the condition of my hair and scalp. This is not a trend. This is backed with science and also a lot of evidence from people who have used it. Studies have shown that onion juice help people with alopecia areata to regrow their hair. Onion juice basically works for general hair growth. If your hair is growing slowly or it has been stuck in certain lengths, just apply onion juice on it and you will come back to thank me. If you have used onion juice in your hair before and it worked for you, please share your experience in the comment section. Onion juice supports stronger, thicker hair strands. It reduces breakage. It helps your hair retain length. It also contains antioxidants. Onion juice contains antioxidants including quercetin, a plant compound that helps protect the cell from damages caused by unstable molecules called free radicals. A healthy scalp environment will help your hair follicle function normally. Onion juice also help improve scalp circulation. Massaging onion juice into your scalp increases blood flow. Onion juice contributes to a healthier scalp environment. When you have a healthy blood circulation, it delivers nutrients and oxygen to your hair follicle, which is necessary for normal hair growth. Another important benefit of using onion juice is that it reduces hair shedding. Our hair is made up of keratin, and keratin needs sulfur to be strong. Onion juice is one of the richest natural sources of sulfur. What it does is that it strengthens the hair strands at the root so it doesn't break off or fall out easily. If you're going to try out this recipe, ensure that you're using the purple onions. But after blending and squeezing out your juice, if you notice that it is not as purple as this, do not worry about it. It's still gonna work. I need you to know that the color is not an indication of the potency or effectiveness. There are various factors that will determine the color of the onion, but it doesn't reduce or increase the potency. The next important ingredient we'll be adding in is the aloe vera gel. Feel free to use the fresh aloe vera gel or the shop bought products. Before we talk about why we added aloe vera gel, let me tell you why you need to start using onion juice even if you don't like the smell. Onion juice contains a lot of sulfur, which is important for your keratin structure. It also contains quercetin, which is a powerful antioxidant. It also contains flavonoids. It has vitamin C, which supports collagen production and acts as an antioxidant too. It also contains folate, vitamin B9, which involve in normal cell growth. It also contains vitamin B6, which supports many metabolic processes. Onion juice also contains potassium, which is an essential mineral. It also contains small amount of selenium, calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. When you use onion juice consistently as part of your healthy hair routine, Onion juice will strengthen your strands from the roots. It will also reduce your breakage, supports a healthier scalp environment. If you're dealing with dandruff, all you need to do is to prepare this onions mixture and apply it on your hair. Do it consistently for 2 weeks and you will not have any dandruff on your scalp. It will also improve the appearance of dull hair. It will help you retain all the length you have grown by reducing hair breakage. Let me show you how to apply this on your scalp for maximum results, where I also tell you why I decided to add aloe vera gel to this mixture. Aloe vera gel is packed with water, vitamins, minerals, enzyme and plant-based compound that can help moisturize the hair and support a healthy scalp. What it does is to improve the condition of your hair and your scalp. If you have a sensitive scalp, whenever you use onion juice, you will notice that your scalp starts to burn. You start experiencing redness on your scalp. What you need to do is to add some aloe vera gel to your mixture and the problem will be solved. Aloe vera deeply hydrates the hair and the scalp. Aloe vera is mostly made up of 99% water, making it an excellent natural moisturizer. It reduces the harshness of the onion juice. It hydrates dry skin. It reduces dryness and roughness on your hair. It leaves your hair feeling softer and smoother. It also helps improve your hair manageability. Aloe vera contains compound that can soothe irritation and reduce inflammation. People use it to calm itching on the scalp. It also reduces irritation. It helps relieve the scalp of discomfort caused by dryness. It also helps reduce dandruff because of its moisturizing effect, and it also has antimicrobial properties. Aloe vera is very good for supporting a healthier scalp. Growing healthy hair starts with having a healthy scalp. What aloe vera does for you is to keep your scalp feeling moisturized, removing excessive oil and product buildup, creating a healthier environment for your hair follicle. It helps reduce hair breakage. Dry hair breaks easily. Aloe vera improves the moisture level in your hair. This increases your hair flexibility, reduces snapping and breakage during styling or combing. This will help you retain length over time. Aloe vera gel is more powerful than people see it. It contains a whole lot of vitamins and minerals. It contains vitamin A, contains vitamin C, vitamin E, small amount of vitamin B, including vitamin B9. It contains minerals such as calcium, magnesium, zinc, potassium. It also has sodium, copper, manganese, ceruleum, and 5 different enzymes. It also contains several amino acids, contains polysaccharides and antioxidants such as flavonoids, polyphenols, and many more. There is a lot aloe vera can do for your scalp and hair. You might be thinking, why should I try this combo? I will tell you. Think of your scalp as a soil where your hair grows. Onion juice helps nourish your scalp with sulfur and antioxidants, while the aloe vera gel will deeply moisturize and soothe your scalp. Together, they can help create an environment where your hair can grow and thrive. Remember that a healthy scalp is the foundation of a healthy hair. For those of you dealing with severe breakage, this combo will help you reduce the breakage. Hair doesn't always fail to grow. It often breaks before you even notice the length. That is why it seems as though your hair is not growing. Onion juice will help you strengthen your hair from the roots. Aloe vera will help keep the hair moisturized and more flexible. Together, they can help you reduce breakage so your hair can grow more and retain the length. This mixture will help you hydrate your hair without weighing it down. When you combine aloe vera and the onion juice, the mixture leaves your hair feeling softer, smoother, and easier to manage without grease. Like I said before, it helps balance the harshness of the onions. It adds this cooling effect in the onion juice, making it more comfortable on your scalp. What you want to achieve is well moisturized hair and reduce breakage, and that is exactly what this combo will give you. Together, onions and aloe vera provide a wide range of natural occurring compounds, including sulfur compound, antioxidants such as quercetin, and vitamin C. One of the biggest advantages of this treatment is that it is inexpensive and it is widely available. Anybody can afford it. If you're going to try out this recipe, let us know in the comment section that you're going to try it out. Don't forget to grab our ebook. It's a compilation of different DIYs that you can try from the comfort of your home. The link will be in the description box. If you learned anything from this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and also share this video to your loved ones who you think will need help with their hair. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I see you in my next upload. Do have a lovely day. Bye bye.